Welcome. We are following this book. Today's lectures problem set A P1 1A Spangles Travel Agency. Here the transaction on April 1, Julia Spangles established Spangles Travel Agency. The following transactions were completed during the month. So here we have 10 transactions. Instructions. A. Prepare a table analysis of the transactions using a following column headings. We have some column headings: cash, account receivable, supplies, equipment. This is our asset sides equal to liability sides, accounts payable plus owner's equities, owner's capital. Here we have owner's drawing, revenues and expenses. And requirement B, we have an analysis of the owner's equity column, compute the net income or net loss. Okay, so here we can see this is our column heads, asset sides, the cash, account receivable, supplies and equipment. Liability sides only accounts payable or owner's equity sides, owner's capital, owner's drawings, revenue and expenses. According to question, we have shown the column heads. Okay, so now we can see the transactions. We can analyze the transactions. Invested 15,000 cash to start the agency. You know that here the asset cash increases and owner's equity just defined as owner's capital increases. We can see here just this is our cash increases and the owner's capital increases. Number 2, paid 600 cash for office rent. We know that for this paid cash, just our asset sides cash will be increased, sorry, cash will be decreased, and April office rent, that means our owner's equity will be decreased. We can see here the asset cash 600 will be decreased, and here owner's equity, that means will be decreased here, that means expenses. This is due to expenses categories. 600. Number third, purchase equipment 3,000 cash. We know that equipment is an asset. So for this purchasing, must asset equipment will be increased and cash will be decreased, the same side. That means this cash, the asset or equipment will be increased 3,000, and we have used our cash, so our asset cash will be decreased this 3,000. Now transaction number 4, incurred 700 of advertising cost. Okay, so in the Chicago Tribune on account for these transactions, incurred 700 advertising cost. So our the liability, accounts payable increases, or owner's equity decreases $700 due to advertising expenses. So we can see this transaction here, transaction 4. This is 700 liabilities, accounts payable increases, and the owner's equity decreases, expenses. That means due to advertising expenses 700. Now paid $900 cash for office supplies. Paid, that means our asset cash will be decreased, and office supplies, this is an asset, it will be increased. So our office supplies asset will be increased and the cash will be decreased, the 900. Now transaction 6, performed service worth 10,000. So from this 10,000, 3,000 cash is received from customers, and the balance 7,000 is billed to customers on account. So this 10,000, our owner's equity will be increased, and our cash will be increased 3,000, and the customer received from customers, and the balance 7,000 is billed, that means the account receivable will be increased. So here revenue, owner's equity revenue will be increased 10,000, and just we have received cash. The cash will be only 3,000. The asset sides cash will be increased 3,000, and account receivable will be increased 7,000. Okay. Now we drew 600 cash for personal use. You know that for this withdrawal, the assets cash decreases and the owner's equity decreases $600 due to owner's withdrawal. That means owner's drawing. So you can see here, this is owner's equity, the owner's drawing sides 600 decreases, that means owner's equity decreases, and the assets, that means this cash will be decreases 600. Now 8, transaction 8, paid Chicago Tribune 500 of the amount due in transaction 4. We know that in transaction 4 we have dues amount, that is accounts payable 700. From the 700 now we are paying the 500. So for this 500 payment of accounts payable, observe that the payment of a liability related to an expenses that has previously been recorded does not affect now in owner's equity. That means we are paying 500, that accounts payable will be decreased and our asset 500 will be decreased, and previously just that has previously been recorded, that means previously recorded in our owner's equity expenses categories. So now doesn't affect owner's equity. Now transaction 9, paid employees salaries 2,500. You know that this paid our asset cash will be decreased and our owner's equity will be decreased due to expense category. So here asset, our cash will be decreased 2,500 and owner's equity expense category 2,500. And now receive 4,000 in cash from customers who have previously been billed in transaction 6. We know that in transaction 6 we have accounts receivable 7,000 taka. From the 7,000 taka now we are getting 4,000. So our cash will be increased and account receivable will be decreased. That means our cash will be increased 4,000, our account receivable will be decreased 4,000. I think clear to everyone. Instructions say prepare tabular analysis. Okay. So now this is the asset sides cash, account receivable, supplies and equipment balance. This is the closing balance or month ended balance on April 30. This 1, 2, 3, 4 types of assets, and liabilities only one, that means 200, and this is owner's equity sides, owner's capital balance, drawing balance, revenue balance, and expenses balance. So in total this will be the $20,800 and here $20,800. The both side is equal. So asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Asset, this is asset equal to, that means basic accounting equation, both sides will be equal. Now requirement B, owner's equity, from an analysis of owner's equity column compute a net income or net loss. So here just this is our total service revenue and total expense. So this is our net income. You know that just this is the owner's equity revenues. If we prepare the income statement, that time we need to be consider our revenue and expenses. So this is our revenue amounts and this is our expense amount. So this is our revenue and total expenses. So revenue less expenses equal to net income. Okay. So our next exercise on problem set A, P1 2A. Do this, Helen. Thanks.